Welcome to the unboxing and assembly of the Patriot semi-electric and full electric bed. We'll guide you through each step of setting it up for optimal comfort and functionality. Unboxing the Patriot Bed. Inside the box, you'll find all the components neatly packed. Head and foot sections, motor, casters, and necessary hardware for a seamless assembly. Head and foot assembly. Place the head and foot sections at right angles to each other, with motor cams up. Slide the foot section's hooks into the head section's rivets. Ensure both rivets are securely seated. With the rivets fully seated in the hooks, rotate and straighten the bed. Motor assembly. Remove the motor slide caps from both ends. Install 9-volt backup battery, not provided, and slide into storage area. Align the motor with the cams. Match labels, tap into place on cams, and reinstall the slide caps. Make sure to plug gearbox on foot end into the open outlet on the main, newly installed motor to ensure proper function. Caster installation. Insert casters into the outer legs for standard height or into the inner legs for a lower bed height. Ensure casters are locked when positioning. Bed end assembly. Attach the bed end by aligning it with the frame. Lower it onto the corner locks and into place securely. Install bed end locking hardware. Remove the hairpin clip. Align the cord end with the frame bracket top hole closest to the bed end. Insert the cord end through the hole so that an equal amount of cord extends outside either side of the frame bracket hole. The lanyard assembly will now hang loosely with the clevis pin and fender washer end on the outside. From the inside, reattach the hairpin clip to the cord's looped end. From the outside, insert lanyard clevis pin with washer into the small hole directly below the bed end bracket top hook so that the washer rests against the bracket. From the inside, insert the hairpin clip, now attached to the cord, into the clevis pin hole to secure. Assemble high-low motor shaft to foot end gearbox. Slide the coupler on the foot end until it rests completely on the pin. High-low rod assembly. The high-low rod assembly adjusts bed height. Insert the inner tube into the outer tube. Press the spring button to lock in place and attach both ends securely. Bed rail mounting assembly. Take mounting rail bracket and put into hole and push into spring until the button clicks into place. When mounting, make sure the metal lip aligns into the slit and the metal pull tabs are facing outward with mounting holes facing up and tab facing down. The assembly is either on the head end for the half no gap, or for the full rails, assembly is on both the head and foot ends. Attaching the half no gap head rail. The Lumex Patriot Liberty half no gap head rail provides full head coverage, extending 31.5 inches to eliminate the gap between the headboard and rail end. Align pivot points at head end and telescope the rail to fit. Then secure the rails into place. Full-length rail installation. The GF6570B-1 full-length rail extends along the bed, providing additional safety and support. Align pivot points at head and foot end and telescope the rail to fit. Then secure the rails into place. Testing bed functions. With the bed assembled, plug it into a grounded outlet. Use the pendant hand control to raise and lower the bed for full electric models. Safety checks. Perform safety checks before use. Ensure all moving parts are clear of obstructions, bed ends are locked, and power cord is safely routed. For further information or troubleshooting, refer to the user manual or visit our website, www.grahamfield.com.